Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, you just need to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you will get an option called settings. If you click on that, and after coming on this, you will get an option at your left side called privacy and security. If you click on that, then you'll get a first option called security, called Windows security. Click on this, and then it will redirect you to this Windows security interface over here. And now here you just need to select the virus and threat protection option. If you click on that, there will be Windows security. Another Windows pops up, and then what you need to do, you just need to come over virus and threat protection settings and click on manage settings. After that, you will come over into virus and threat protection settings Windows bar, and now here you just need to turn off the real-time protection. There will be a permission, click yes, and then you will get an option called cloud delivery protection. You just simply click on turn off, and now you are now turned off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11, and now you can enjoy it as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.